Hi guys, good morning. Happy new week. Today is Monday and it's, I just woke up and this is past 7. So I came to the kitchen. Today is Monday, no school. So I woke up this early because I want to prepare some stuff, arrange the house and also I want to make my I pray this light stay till I finish washing and blending. Then I want to take no problem. Then also sweep and do all that thing. I don't want to leave everything for my sister because she's going to stay with the children throughout today. So I'm going to take you guys along. So let me show you the beans. I want to blend. See, everywhere is messed up, everywhere is scattered, but I'm going to fix that now. So I'll first of all wash this one, and after I'm done I can now clear all this place because everybody was tired yesterday. Normally we clear everywhere, clean the kitchen, wash the plates before going to bed, but yesterday all of us we slept up. So guys, let me not make this video too long. Just come along while I make my mind. So guys, I'm trying to peel the back. That's why I'm using the mortar so that it will be very fast. I don't have the strength to use the big one. That's why I'm using this one. So I will be back when I'm done. Okay? So guys, I'm done with this one.
I drink when I come now.
No. guys, this is 8:46. I want to go shower, feed my baby. Maybe me getting to the shop, it should be like 9:30 or so. So I've cleaned the kitchen. It's just for her to sweep, and the mama is not yet ready. So let me go prepare, bathe, and I'll see you guys maybe when I'm heading to the shop, or when the mama is ready. I will show you guys. So let's go. Hi guys, so I'm heading to the shop now. This is should be 15 minutes after 10, and the reason why I'm this late, I have to bathe my children, brush them, make sure they are okay. Like, I have to back the other one, this small baby. He's sleeping. I on the AC for him. He's enjoying. They've eaten. The mama is ready. I've brought her what they'll eat in the afternoon, and in the evening there is snacks. So you see, I'm already stressed, but this week I'm going for my trade fair and I need all the energy. I have to create content. So I'm heading to the shop now. I'll talk to you guys later. Hello guys, so I'm in the shop now, and say I'm in the shop, and I want to fix these flowers up the ceiling. So I went to collect lighter from my neighbor. I don't see scissors, so I collected this one. So I think I'll be ending this video here. This video is going to be like a day in the life of a mom and a businesswoman. Okay guys, I'll see you guys later. Bye. See you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Bye.